Hi everyone, this is Cafeccino. I'm Roshan Adeem and today's tutorial is about chicken cheese patties. So starting with the filling, many people boil chicken while making the filling, but I completely don't do that because when you boil chicken, all the flavorings of the chicken just sink down in your stock. So we don't want that. You will utilize the whole along with their flavors. So heat up your pan, add in a bit of oil, your chicken, and some garlic, some cumin seeds, and seasoning, which is salt and pepper, of course. Give it a little stir fry it a little bit, and once that's done, add in some water and let it cook until it's all nice and tender and the water is dried. Once that's done, it will look something like this. Transfer it into a bowl and let it cool, then shred it. Keep it to one side. Next step, you'll take some butter, and I'm using here some butter mushrooms. I'm gonna chop them into nice chunks, little chunks, and we'll fry them in some butter in the same pan with those beautiful shards of chicken sticking to the mushrooms. It's completely optional because cheese, mushrooms, and chicken goes really cool, really beautifully together. That's why once the color is nice and golden, set that to one side. Now in the same bowl, add in some more butter and one nicely finely chopped onion. Cook it until it's translucent, not golden. It looks golden in this because of the shard which we have in the pan. Now add in some flour. You don't need to add too much flour, just a little sprinkle. Fry that and add in the milk a little at a time. Give it a stir. It will kind of turn into a saucy consistency. Let it cook until it thickens, and you can see that shredded chicken. You need to shred it really nice and small, fine. Once your sauce is almost thickened, all you need to do is incorporate the chicken and the mushrooms. Now, while shooting this video was such a hectic. You won't believe, I was so clumsy while shooting this video that I did such stupid things. Add in some grated cheddar cheese, and by some I mean a lot of cheddar cheese, because these are cheesy patties, right? But if you don't want to make cheesy ones, you can of course skip the cheese part and you'll get nice chicken and mushroom patties, which will taste good as well. Once that's done, just quickly mix it and set that to one side to cool down. In the meanwhile, we roll our puff pastry dough. So while shooting this video, I dropped the whole jug of oil, and not just a simple oil, fish oil, yes. Fish oil. I just dropped it down, then I cleaned that up. What worse can happen than that? Wait a minute. I even, there was load shedding for 1 whole hour, so my work fully stopped for 1 hour, and not the generator was even not working. Then the third thing, I dropped an egg. What's worse than that? Not just an egg, but a beaten egg, and then I had to clean that up as well. So it was a whole mess. And while baking these, the oven even switched off 3 times by its own. So this was a hectic video. I worked so much for it, and YouTube is tough, but it's fun as well. When you guys try it and you send me pictures, it's so soothing. It makes my day. All right, and right now I can't even speak, but I'm recording the video. So this video is completely a hectic one, a toughest one. Rolling the dough, you saw the thickness, and now I'm cutting the circles. You can make bigger or smaller patties. I'm going for a middle range here. You can use any cookie cutter, the ridgy one which is specialized for patties, the one which I'm using here, or you can even use like any cup, something round, or maybe make square patties just by cutting with knife, or you can make any shape. Just go with your ideas. You can be creative here. I've cut it like holes in the middle. Now for the wash, egg wash. I wanted to tell you the science behind the egg wash. So why we don't use simply beaten egg and why we add water into it. The reason behind that is egg is used to give it a nice golden color, right? But once you bake it, and if you have not added water in your egg, it's not egg wash, it's just simply beaten egg. What happens is because it's purely egg, so your patties or anything gets color very quickly. You know what I mean? Once you bake it, it just catches the golden color very quickly, and your thingy is not properly cooked from inside, but from the outside it's nice and golden. So if you give it some more time, it will burn from the outside, and if you give it less time, it will be raw from the inside. That's why water is used, to balance out the intensity of the egg. Bake these. First preheat your oven at 180°C and then bake these at 160°C for around 40 to 45 minutes, or you can, it depends on the nature of your oven. Hope you like this video. Subscribe for new videos every week. Do follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Eat, drink and think. Bye guys.